That's between you and me.
What's the secret ingredient?
What's the secret ingredients? Okay, so you take this and you pour that in.
That's not tomato. What is that? Is that the secret ingredient?
You put the secret ingredient into the pancake mix. Oh, great. Yum. You could stick your tongue in there too and taste it. There you go. Very good. See, that adds a little spice to the flavor here. Oh, good. Okay. Very good. I want to taste this now too.
I'll take you.
Kenzo, what are you helping Aunt Carol make?
Pancakes.
Pancakes. Okay.
Are you making this Aunt Carol's famous pancakes?
Oh,
Wow.
then we're going to blend it up. You think you could help me blend it?
Mix it?
Would
Yeah.
would you help me mix it with the blender? Can you do that for me? Okay, good.
By myself.
You're going to do it by yourself? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, we got to stick these in here. Oh, here. Here, do you think you could stick that in the hole here? Here, hold it like that. And then stick it in the hole. Get it in. Is it in? No, no, you have to get it in the little hole there. Go ahead, turn it around so it clicks. Yeah, clicked. You gotta get the click going. And then here's another one. Okay, put that in there. And then you gotta okay, good. Okay, turn it around. You gotta push and turn.
Push and turn.
Push and turn. Oh, we can't do
Good
it.
boy. That's how you do it.
Right? I think we this way. Gotta fit in those little holes there, see?
Oh.
Click. Now you say, yeah, baby.
Yeah, baby.
You got it.
I'm only going to do it by myself.
You're going to do it by yourself.
By yourself?
Well, we got to plug it in, right? We got to get the juice, the electric juice going. Okay, and then we're going to put it on low. We're going to put it in here and keep it down on low. There you go.
Want to put a lower speed before the disaster comes?
At the lowest speed? God.
That was low? Wow. You know this is going to end in disaster.
I hope you got that. Very good. Very, very excellent work.